Now let us discuss the 52. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as an assertion and another one is labeled as a reason. Okay. Now let us see the assertion. ICl is more reactive than I2. Okay. And the reason is that I bond Cl bond is weaker than I bond I bonds. Before going to answer this question, now let us check the concept from Ncert. Concept from second year NCERT, page number 207, and this lesson is P block elements, and this particular question is from group 70. If you have any doubt, please go and check the NCERTs. Okay, now let us see the concept here. Their chemical reactions can be compared with the individual halogens. In general, interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens, except fluorine. Okay, except fluorine, interhalogen compounds, that means I bond Cl, I bond Br, these are called the interhalogen compounds. In the above question, they give the I bond Cl. This is an interhalogen compound. That's why we conclude that interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens, except the fluorine. Here, according to the assertion, I bond Cl, this is an interhalogen compound, is more reactive than halogen. This is I2, which is an halogen, and ICl, which is an interhalogen. So, according to the NCERT concept, this statement is true. Okay, now let us check the next one. This is because X bond X dash bond in interhalogen compounds is weaker than X bond X in halogens except the fluorine bond. Here they given reason that I bond Cl bonds are weaker. Why? Because electronegativity differences, these are weaker than I bond I. That means halogens. Let us check the reason. These I bond Cl bonds are weaker than I bond I bonds. Why? Because these I bonds Cl have high electronegativity difference. That's why these are weaker than I bond I bonds. So according to this NCERT concept, you can easily answer this question. So reason is also correct. Here both A and R correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So 3 is our correct answer. I hope this concept is clear.